Is the Ohio Valley ready for a major wind chill advisory today? And why are we seeing such strong gusts while other areas warm up? Let's dive into the details. Good morning. I'm Tempest with your comprehensive weather update for November 12, 2025. Let's start by taking a look at what's happening across the nation today and how it will impact different regions. In the east, we're seeing temperatures starting to moderate as yesterday's strong winds begin to calm down. The lower Great Lakes region will continue experiencing significant lake effect snow through Thursday due to westerly winds off the lakes. These conditions can lead to isolated areas receiving several inches of snow, so if you are in those regions, be prepared for potentially hazardous travel conditions. Over in the central U.S., warmer than average temperatures are expected as an upper ridge moves into the region. This system is bringing southerly winds that will carry warm air up from the south. Expect highs reaching into the 60s and even 70s, which is quite a bit above normal for this time of year. While it may be pleasant outside, keep in mind that such warmth can be deceptive when it comes to winter preparation. Tonight, we'll see some significant changes on the west coast as a strong cyclone develops off the coast. This system will bring heavy rainfall and mountain snow to California and parts of Oregon starting tonight and continuing through Thursday. Winter storm warnings are in effect for areas like the southern Sierra Nevada mountains, where heavy snow is expected. Coastal regions can expect high winds, so be sure to secure any loose items outside. Looking at the specifics, San Francisco could see up to 3 inches of rain by Friday morning, with gusts reaching up to 50 miles per hour. In Sacramento, expect up to an inch of rain and localized flooding in lower-lying areas. The northern Sierra Nevada mountains will receive between 8 to 12 inches of snow. This is a significant amount that could impact travel over the next few days. In Southern California, heavy rain expected on Saturday could lead to flooding concerns. Areas like Los Angeles and San Diego need to be particularly cautious as storm systems continue to move in through Thursday night into Friday morning. We're expecting between 2 to 4 inches of rainfall across these areas, with isolated amounts up to 6 inches possible. As we head east, the Midwest will see mostly clear skies today, with temperatures ranging from the mid-30s to low 50s, depending on your location. However, strong winds will be a factor throughout much of the afternoon and evening, as gusts could reach up to 40 miles per hour in some areas. Moving into the Plains states, including Texas and Oklahoma, expect warmer conditions today, with temperatures reaching into the mid-70s in many areas. This warmth is due to the high-pressure system that will dominate this region over the next few days. However, as we move into Thursday night, a cold front will start pushing through from the north, bringing cooler air by Friday. The Northeast is seeing a mix of conditions today, with scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms in some areas. In New York City, temperatures are expected to reach the mid-50s with occasional rain throughout the day. Boston could see slightly cooler temperatures around 48 degrees Fahrenheit, but will also experience intermittent rainfall through the afternoon. Now let's look at the extended national outlook for this weekend and early next week. Over the weekend, we're keeping a close eye on Southern California, where heavy rain is expected to hit Saturday, potentially leading to flooding concerns in some areas. This comes as an upper low-pressure system moves into the region, bringing widespread rainfall that could also cause issues with higher elevation snowfall spreading across much of the Intermountain West by Sunday. As we look at the rest of the country, warmer than average temperatures will dominate the central and eastern U.S. over the weekend due to a ridge of high pressure moving in ahead of this system. However, up north, things are looking quite different as an upper trough pushes a low-pressure system across the Great Lakes and Northeast, bringing rain and some wintry mixed conditions with it. In the Midwest, expect temperatures to start cooling down by Friday night into Saturday morning as that cold front moves through. By Sunday, many areas could see highs only in the 40s or lower 50s compared to today's warm weather. The plains will continue to experience warmer than average temperatures, but with more variable conditions due to the approaching system. In the Northeast, expect a mix of rain and snow showers this week weekend as we move into early next week. New York City could see some light accumulations on Sunday morning before transitioning back to rain by afternoon. Boston might see slightly heavier accumulations, especially if you are in higher elevations around the city. Now, let's dive deeper into the Ohio Valley region for today and tonight. Starting off in Illinois, Chicago will have a bright sunny day with temperatures climbing up to around 50 degrees. However, strong winds will be a factor throughout much of the afternoon, so it might feel chilly despite the pleasant warmth. Gusts could reach as high as 30 miles per hour. Tonight, expect mostly clear skies with lows dropping down to about 38 degrees. Over in Aurora and Naperville, you'll also have sunny conditions today with highs reaching around 51 degrees. The wind will be quite brisk at 20 miles per hour and gusts up to 30 miles per hour in Aurora, while Naperville will see winds around 15 miles per hour. Lows tonight will hover around 31 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Moving over into Indiana, Indianapolis is looking at a high of 53 degrees today with mostly sunny skies, but the wind will be blowing at around 15 miles per hour. Tonight, it'll be mostly clear with temperatures falling to about 31 degrees. In Fort Wayne, you're in for a mostly sunny day with highs reaching near 45 degrees and winds around 15 miles per hour. Tonight, expect partly cloudy skies with lows dropping down to around 32 degrees. And over in Evansville, it's going to be warm and sunny day with temperatures hitting up to 64 degrees. The wind will be light at about 10 miles per hour. Tonight, you'll see mostly clear skies with lows around 38 degrees. Now heading into Kentucky, Louisville is looking at a high of 59 degrees today under bright sunny skies, but the wind will be quite brisk at around 12 miles per hour. Tonight, it'll be mostly clear with temperatures falling to about 36 degrees. In Lexington, you're in for a beautiful sunny day tomorrow with highs reaching near 58 degrees and winds blowing at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Overnight tonight, expect clear skies with lows dropping down to around 36 degrees. And over in Bowling Green, it's going to be another gorgeous sunny day with temperatures peaking near 64 degrees and a light breeze of about 6 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, you'll see clear skies with lows around 39 degrees. Let's move into Ohio now. Columbus will have mostly clear skies tonight with temperatures falling to about 33 degrees, but the wind will be quite brisk at around 10 miles per hour and gusts up to 21 miles per hour. Tomorrow, it'll be mostly sunny with highs reaching near 50 degrees. In Cleveland, there's a slight chance of rain overnight with lows dropping down to around 32 degrees under cloudy skies and winds blowing at about 16 miles per hour. Tomorrow, you might see some scattered showers, but expect mostly cloudy conditions with temperatures climbing up to around 46 degrees. And over in Cincinnati, it'll be clear tonight with lows around 34 degrees and a light breeze of about 9 miles per hour. Tomorrow, it's going to be sunny with highs reaching near 55 degrees and winds blowing at around 8 to 13 miles per hour. In Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh will have mostly cloudy skies overnight with temperatures falling to about 32 degrees and winds around 14 miles per hour. Tomorrow, you might see some scattered rain showers between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. under mostly cloudy conditions with highs reaching near 48 degrees. Philadelphia is looking at mostly cloudy skies tonight with lows dropping down to around 34 degrees and a light breeze of about 5 miles per hour. Tomorrow, it'll be mostly sunny with temperatures climbing up to around 53 degrees and winds blowing at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. And over in Allentown, you're in for mostly cloudy skies tonight with lows dropping down to around 31 degrees and a light breeze of about 5 miles per hour. Tomorrow, it'll be partly sunny with temperatures reaching near 50 degrees and winds blowing at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Now heading into Tennessee, Nashville is looking at a high of 65 degrees today under bright sunny skies, but the wind will be quite brisk at about 10 miles per hour. Tonight, you might see some patchy fog after 11 p.m., with mostly clear skies and temperatures falling to around 37 degrees. In Memphis, it'll be clear tonight with lows dropping down to around 44 degrees and a light breeze breeze of about 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow, it's going to be sunny with highs reaching near 66 degrees and winds blowing at around 10 miles per hour. And over in Knoxville, you're in for a high of 60 degrees today under bright sunny skies, but the wind will be quite brisk at about 15 miles per hour. Tonight, you might see some patchy fog. That's your forecast for today. Stay weather aware and have a great day.